Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to set drawing limit in AutoCAD 2025. Most of the beginners skip this step in the beginning and later on face scaling, plotting or layout problem. For drawing limits, this is my working drawing area. Right now if I will draw a line anywhere in the screen, I can draw the line. Now we have to set the drawing limits so that I will not draw any line out of my boundary. So I will delete this one first and write here limits. And when you write limits and it's asking specify lower left corner, it is always 0, 0, press enter. Then specify the right corner, this corner here. So if you're using A3 sheets, I will use 420 by 297, enter. You can see if the left corner is 0, 0 and right upper corner is 420, 297. Type limits and type on, press enter. Now I will draw a rectangle by 420 and 297. Type here rectangle and start the units from 0, 0. Now my length is 420, press tab and 297, zoom extend. So this is my limits. Now I cannot draw any line outside of this boundary. Let's say I will type a line command here. If I will press here, I cannot draw the line, but here I can draw the line. Same way circle, I can draw the circle here, but I cannot draw the circle outside. I cannot draw. So this is the beauty of the limits. Here I can draw. Same way, if you want to rectangle, I can draw rectangle here, but I cannot draw the rectangle outside of the 420 and 297 limits. In this way, we can fix our drawing working boundary.